In this video, I will be reviewing several popular butcher block options as well as custom configurations. You need to reach out and contact the sponsor. They have interior designers and specialists that can help you with your butcher block kitchen remodeling ideas. Many options: elliptical, gathering block, custom, bars, islands, tables, and much more. This is the elliptical block, several sizes, optional shelves, base colors, alabaster, caviar black. This is the homestead block. Maple edge grain, ideal cutting surface, bakeries, food prep, and much more. Maple end grain, even nicer.
Hello, Chef here. So I'm using this block today. I noticed it's getting a little bit dry. Time to oil it again. So I'm going to be using two products today. I thought I'd share them with you as I oil this end grain rock maple butcher block. So the first one is, let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. So it pours out easier. So I actually take and mix the two together. I'm going to put a little bit of my mixture on the block like this, right here. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in a plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. That is the video. If you need the products, your sponsor's got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Okay, American black walnut is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next we have Liptus. Liptus is a farm-raised wood from South America. Very beautiful. I love the color. I love the grain. It's hard stuff. It's just about like maple. Next we have maple. This one here is this is rock maple. It's covered in plastic, but that doesn't matter. You can see the color. It's very nice. These are NSF certified. Beautiful. Light blonde color. And here we have bamboo. This one's imported. You can see you get what you pay for. I don't use these, and well, I don't know if you should either. Really nice. A few things about this. This is harvested from sustainably renewable forestry. This is the best quality block you can buy if you want to have a walnut. And end grain is maybe easier on the knife. It makes an interesting sound when the knife's cutting and chopping and rocking back and forth. A lot of chefs prefer it. It's really cool. It's also aesthetically pleasing. Visually, wow, really nice. So if you're looking to upgrade and move up to something like this, super high quality, I recommend you check out the sponsor right there. They got these babies in stock. They get them to you quick. Sometimes they're made to order. There's all different sizes. Anyway, a few things I want to move on here and give you a couple of tips. So people have often asked me, Chef, what about feet on a cutting board? Well, it makes sense. If your cutting board's going to slide or wiggle around on your surface, especially if you have granite or marble or stone or all these different synthetics, and sometimes the cutting board wiggles and slides while you're using it. You've seen it. It gets dangerous. That's where I recommend checking out the sponsor. They got this exclusive on these custom rubber feet. These are about 2 inches diameter, and they're about 3/4 of an inch thick. They're going to do a few things for you. They're going to give you clearance. I'll put a few under here right now for you. They're going to give you clearance. They're going to make it non-slip, and they're also going to let the humidity, the moisture, and the air flow around your cutting board. There you go. Nice air gap there. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. So you can caulk these on one side. You can just set them on like I did. You know, we've had people use screws or nails or attach them that way. However, whatever you want to do. But the main thing is the air gap. It's nice. I like it. This cutting board, by the way, is reversible. You can easily pick it up, flip it over, use the other side, and wow, really nice. Should last you easily a lifetime if you take care of it. Keep it out of the sink, oil it regularly, and it's going to be good. A couple more tips for you here. Let's see, what do I got? I got the board cream, and I got the mystery oil. 2 products you should have in your kitchen with the best block. Yeah. I'll be back with more. Subscribe right here. Check out more on this channel. Learn all kinds of expert cooking tips and tricks.
This is walnut edge grain, available blended or full rails. available food-safe oil cutting surface or optional Varnique maintenance-free surface. Both are excellent choices. Edge grain rock maple select #1 grade, as well as several other species of wood are available: maple, cherry, walnut, red oak, and others. This is the Bar Elegante cart, ideal for barbecue, dining, storage, wine,